Hey guys, I just landed at Edinburgh Airport and today I'm breaking down exactly how to use the tram system to get to downtown. Let's do it.
Okay, so tram, eto guys, ito yung kukunin natin, tram, eto yun. Hey, welcome to Edinburgh. Ito yun, yan, tram tayo. Ayun, naandun yung machine kung saan pwedeng nabili ng ng ticket ata. So tara, puntahan natin, bili tayo ticket. Ay, grabe, smoke check tayo, ayun no. -1 degrees, -1 degree ngayon dito, smoke check. Maybe let's just take the single ticket muna, no, for the moment. Then let's just buy tomorrow. Trams tayo po, Princess Street. So each is £7.50 times 2, 15. So tara, bili na natin. Charot. Pasok tayo sa tram, nila, tram train. Ito yun. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ay, you can put it here. Mira. Yan. May lagayan ng ng mga luggages. So, ang ganda. Convenient siya. So, yung price is £7.50. So, okay lang siya. I think it would take like 35 minutes papunta sa city center. So, you can take this one and also the air coach. You have the option. Guys, so we just got off from the train station kung saan malapit yung hotel accommodation namin. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Edinburgh. Bienvenido a Edimburgo. Ayun. Lakad lang kami ng 13 minutes papunta sa hostel namin. Uy, ang ganda dito. It's nice here, no? Like, I don't know. Bukas, mas makikita natin siya kasi ngayon madilim na siya eh. Pero for sure bukas maganda tong view dito. I can get this. Tara, lakad tayo. Siguro bukas na lang tayo magva-vlog ng full vlog. Kasi yung itinerary natin bukas full. Palubat na yung battery ko, 12% na lang tayo. O sige, bukas lang tayo mag-vlog guys ha, kasi wala na akong battery. So, I'll see you tomorrow. And by the way, kapag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, then please do. Hit mo rin yung sign-in notification bell para ikaw updated sa ating mga latest ganap. Hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-pronounce ngayon kasi -1 dito, nilalamig yung bibig natin. Pero, yun lang naman. So, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? See ya! And still happy holidays. Ciao!